how to unblock websites in Google Chrome browser. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, uh, to change your settings, you'll need to head over to your Google Chrome first and then go to three dots on the top right. Scroll down, go to settings, and then go to privacy and security on the left side. Go to security, and now under safe browsing, you'll need to make sure that it is set to no protection. Sometimes enhanced protection and standard protection blocks your websites. So just set it to no protection. However, it won't protect you against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.